Hi ladies, moms, I'm talking to you. If you're anything like me, or if I'm anything like you, I'm going to take a wild guess and say that you probably have said this to yourself at some point before. I just don't have the time to work out. I don't know where I can find the time. I just can't fit it in. Has that come up for you before? I know it has for me, and I have made for quite some time now, I have made a solid commitment to dedicating some time every day to fitness. And if you are interested in this, I have got 5 hot tips for you to fit fitness into your everyday life that you can start doing today. You don't have to wait till tomorrow. You can do it today because all it takes is 15 minutes. So if you're interested to find out more about how to fit fitness into your busy schedule as a mom, stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna dive right in because didn't I just say that we're super busy moms? All right, so boundaries. That is going to be the very first thing that you're going to need to do. That's hot tip number 1. Set boundaries around this time. This time is sacred, it is special, it is your time in the day, so you need to guard it with your life, okay? Like surround it with like fencing and guard dogs and like ammo. And make sure that nothing comes between you and this time that you have for yourself. So in order to do that, it's probably going to take a little bit of clear communication to your family so they understand how important this time is for you and that it's not a lot of time, but it's time that you need for you. You spend all day taking care of the rest of your family. It's time to take care of you for 15, maybe 20 minutes, or however long it looks for you. We all have different needs and room in our day. So tip number 1, boundaries. Tip number 2, okay, this is a really good one. You're gonna like this. Find something you love. Shouldn't fitness be fun? Why would you go and drag your butt to a treadmill or an elliptical and just like for like 45 minutes if you can't stand it? Some people love it, and if they do, great. That's awesome. Go do that if it feels good for you. But if you don't like it, you're not going to look forward to it, and it's not going to be something that you carve time out for excitedly in your day. You're going to dread it. So find something you love to do, okay? If you love lifting weights, get some weights that are handy for you to at home to fit in so you don't have to make a big trip to the gym. Plus COVID, hello, a lot of gyms are not open or very limited in their capacity right now. So having some equipment for yourself at home that in order to do something that you love to do, super simple, super simple. So find something you love. Okay, number 3 cannot be completed without number 2. Number 2, find something you love. Number 3, make it fast and effective. So for example, if you know you need to get your cardio in and you enjoy lifting weights, so you've got those weights at home, boom, supersets. Have you ever done supersets? They're great. You do little short cardio blasts in between your weight sets, and then next thing you know, like 15-20 minutes, and you have done the equivalent of like an hour and a half at the gym. Way more time efficient. That is not a lot of time to carve out in order to do a banging workout. Number 4, this one's also really important. Okay, you know what? They're like all important. That's why I'm sharing them with you. These are the 5 most important tips for being able to fit fitness into your routine. Okay, so number 4, very important, accountability. So for this, I recommend an accountability buddy. Comment below if you know where that's from. Special extra points for anybody who knows where that comes from. And if you do know, then I want to be friends with you. And if you don't know, just look in the comments because someone else is going to tell you. Okay, accountability. Find an accountability buddy. So what this means is you might have a daily check-in with your partner who can hold you accountable. Did you do your workout today? Did you make time for your workout? How did your workout go? Maybe it's a friend who's actually going to do your workout with you. I just recently was going to start doing a 30-day fitness challenge with a friend of mine because both of us love doing these workouts that we have discovered, and So the two of us, we're going to do it together and check in with each other every day. Make sure, have you done your workout? How did you love your workout? Wasn't that awesome? Oh my gosh, the part when we did blah, blah, blah. Holy cow, I was dying there. How about you? That kind of a thing, right? You can like share in the pain and the gain of your exercise. Another one, this may not be for everybody, but you might like to check in or hold yourself accountable through social media. That is a very wide range of eyeballs staring at you and wondering if you're doing your workouts every day like you said you were going to. Because there will be those people who are going to be like, are you doing your workout? So, like I said, not for everybody. Maybe that's for you, maybe not. So we've got accountability, number 5. Okay, oh no, that's 10. Number 5. Number 5, this one is probably the most important out of the 5. So last but certainly not least, last but most, you need to show up, okay? Nobody's gonna do your workout for you, and nobody is gonna come to your pity party of excuses as to why you don't work out, why you're too busy. You know, we're all busy. We all have stuff to do. But when you don't take care of yourself, you have a really hard time taking care of everybody else. So do yourself a favor, carve out 15 minutes of your day for a super fun, super effective workout, and you will not regret it. My favorite time to carve out is right before lunch. So when I start my day, I know all through the morning, I'm looking forward to that workout. I can't wait to do it. I love doing it. It's quick, it's easy. When it's done, I am pooped. My muscles are sore the next day. I feel good. I got pipes. Check these babies out. That's from 15 minutes a day. That's not hard. That's not a lot to do. It's totally achievable. So, like I said, do yourself a favor, carve out that little bit of time. And if you're interested to find out more about how you can make your workouts fun, or if you're looking for a fun workout to do, come and join me on YouTube, because I am going to be sharing my 15-minute Pilates routine, full body, gonna leave you sore. It's gonna be hard, but you're gonna love it because doing Pilates with me is super fun. So that'll be on YouTube tomorrow, Friday. And if you'd like to take it a step further, go ahead and reach out to me for some one-on-one work or a little bit more information about how you can fit fitness into your life starting today.